Alright, so I'm back here with another Mene purchase. Yes, this is number 5. But got another piece of gold. I apologize, I am not going to be doing an unboxing today. I know, I'm breaking the rules, but couldn't wait to open it, so here it is. The 18-inch rounded box chain. I really like the 21-inch heavy rounded box chain, and I thought that it'd be nice to have something maybe just a little bit shorter to wear a pendant with, and this is it. It's a lot like the heavy rounded box chain, just thinner. I will say that the finishing doesn't seem to be as good, in my opinion. It has a little bit of a rougher feel to it. It could just be because it's thinner. I'm not sure. But also I've noticed that in some parts of the chain, it looks like it's almost kinked or something, or it looks like it's twisted, and it just doesn't hang. I don't know. You might not be able to see it in the video, but it just looks off when it's hanging straight down in some points. I mean, you really have to be nitpicking, so it's not that bad. It's still a great looking chain. I have the heavy rounded box chain here for comparison. So this is the 21-inch, and then this here is the 18-inch rounded box. One thing that I will say I'm a bit disappointed in is this is a good bit underweight. They advertise it at 11.8 something grams on their website, and when I got, and that's including or not including the weight of the clasp, which I can't imagine is very much. I don't know how much it is, but I weighed it, and including the clasp, the necklace came out at 11.33. So it's a good bit underweight. There might be like $40 worth of gold missing from it if we figured the spot price today is like $17.50. But it's still pretty nice. The Fraternité medallion works pretty well on it. It hangs a little bit higher up, so if I'm wearing a button-down shirt or something, you can still see a little bit of it if you're trying to show off or whatever. Still, I have to say though, I still prefer the heavy rounded box chain. It's really nice. The more that I wear it, the more that I enjoy it. It's just such a classic style. I could see myself wearing this for the rest of my life. It's that nice. It's very classy and timeless. Same with this. So they both get a thumbs up from me.